Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a Google account and exported HTML5 game files before you begin. This saves time and prevents later hosting mismatch. Once ready, open Google Sites and create a new page dedicated to the game. Then add an embed block and choose Embed Code. This is the first actionable step that places your game container on the page. Make sure assets are reachable over HTTPS because sites require secure links. Finally, set a placeholder size for the iframe so layout won't shift when the game loads. Now integrate the exported game files into that embed. Host the index, HTML and asset folder on GitHub pages or a static host, then copy the public URL into your embed code iframe. Once done, adjust width and height to a 16:9 ratio for consistent appearance, and add responsive CSS so the canvas scales on mobile. Make sure media and input paths are correct. If the console shows 404, update asset links. Then test interactions, keyboard focus, and sound so gameplay feels native within site. Publish the Google site and verify the embedded game loads for public viewers. Permissions must allow anonymous access to hosted files. Once published, test on several devices and browsers to confirm touch mapping, scaling, and performance. If the game won't load, the common culprit is blocked embedding or cores. Make sure your host serves assets over HTTPS and sets appropriate headers, or use GitHub pages which handles this. If audio fails, check autoplay policies and user gesture requirements, then republish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.